What's up, y'all? New food review today. I have the new Subway barbecue rib sandwich. It's been a while since we've done a Subway review. I'm trying to open this up for y'all. Yeah, look at that. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. We're about getting this thing in a hot minute. Alright, y'all ready? Let's get in this thing. Chewy. Need another bite. Not very spicy. It's okay, Subway. I think we'll give this a 3 out of 5. It's just okay. It needs a little spice to it. Alright, we're gonna check out some sun chips here. Seems really good. I gotta smell them first. Smell good. A little chip here. Sun chips, they're not bad. Sun chips are getting a 4 for me. Got a little water wash it down. Sandwich gets a 3 out of 5, and the chips get a 4 out of 5. It's just alright, Subway. Alright, y'all know what to do. Go to like this video. Keep subscribing, more food reviews on the way. I'd like to see this channel get to 5,000 subscribers. Go ahead and like this video. Follow me on Instagram, @Roof, for all the latest updates.